Please subscribe, like, and share.
In the history of Ghana, the only kingdom that fought and resisted the British in Ghana, Asante Kingdom. History. The bond of 1844. British for the D, a year go so for 100 years. Asante for him for Baku Kranka. I am 44 Kranfo, Zimafo, Achimfo, Ahimfo. Go and check the history. Omo Ahimfo no other day assassin my British for. So the British were governing Gold Coast, not entire Ghana. Asante territory was intact until 1896. Amukochi Senanajiman Prempe, the first. And in 1900, Amukochi Yasantua, and Amukoche Seychelles for 23 years. But later, they returned Asante Hine. Amudi Asante Hine back. And Timu kind invitation at the end, and I answer a Pasia Kobe, and I am a higher assassin, and all that. There is no kingdom in Africa, Ghana, that the British knows apart from Ashanti Kingdom. One of the kingdoms that the British respects is Ashanti Kingdom. And Ashanti Kingdom, as we know, is one of the kingdoms that they have preserved it for more than over 500 years. Over 600 years. Enti opimso wapa no obeko wapa wonko. Oni obia ohia King Charles. Ohia King Charles. In fact, amon amko kacha abrafo ne say amomfa eye omohene emom no the golden stool be mom. Abrafo ne dey omohene ma no. And amom fake golden stool. The Battle of Dodowa Forest. It was all other tribes plus the British against Ashantis. That was the only fight in the war. Ashantis were defeated. Yeah. But then not Ghana for black people become. Why? Because Ashantis were so powerful that they had. See, Ashanti Kingdom and Ashanti region. A lot of people think that Ashanti Kingdom and Ashanti region. When we say Ashanti Kingdom, it goes to Jamaica. It goes to Suriname. When we say Ashanti Kingdom, it be Oti region. When we say Ashanti Kingdom, it be Hafu. When we say Ashanti Kingdom, it be Cote d'Ivoire. And Ashanti Kingdom, region. Ashanti Kingdom is not a region. We are talking about one of the most powerful people in Ghana. And take it, TNA. Bebre din say Asante for your mom Ashanti region. Enfante for TNA, Munina moya Asante for Enfante for Asante for Elmina for crowd ya move free bantam, mo crowd ya monya Enfante for. Mo movie Elmina monya Enfante for. Go and check the Fante Confederacy whether Elmina edina mokawa. Edina bantama. Edina bantama. Other than Edina bantama or Enfantini. The Fante Confederacy na Elmina for mon count. What do you say? And Central region, moya Asante for. Moya Asante for. Ameya ekumfi ani opoku ware entokwa esi wobunu manso. And amaye muchichaye. Ashanti Kingdom is one of the most powerful kingdoms. Ohini wanko.